Hi lovely ones, I have a little bit of a surprise video for today. I got sent a surprise in the mail from Earth Family Crystals. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, so pretty. I think that's so gorgeous. That is so gorgeous. So thank you. This is the thank you card that comes. Thank you for your purchase. When you support a small business, you're supporting a dream. This is true. From one small business owner to this other small business, I get it. It's a big deal. We're a fair trade, eco-friendly, ethically conscious business. We donate a portion of our sales to a variety of worldwide eco-friendly projects and charities. So you can get... So Sabrina and Ross, hi Sabrina and Ross at earthfamilycrystals.com. I have no idea what is in here. No idea, none whatsoever. Okay, so we have a little tiger's eye, free gift, tiger eye, stone of good luck. Thank you for your support. Yes, we love a little good luck stone. So cute. I'm just not going to show my son because he'll run off with it. He's got like a little box of treasures. Not that it matters. He is allowed to play with the crystals. I have an open crystal policy in my house. The ones that are like super rough, like mica type stones or pointy, sharp ones are up higher, and he knows not to play with those. But any of my tumbled stones, I'm not going to I want to encourage him to play with them. And he does, and he puts them in treasure boxes, and so I'm careful about which ones he has access to, and he's very respectful of them, but I don't also be like, no, that's mine, because I don't feel like that's a good way to introduce your child to crystals and spirituality. It should be like, oh, mummy, what's this? Like, let's have a chat about it. And anyway, let's get back to what we're here for. I would like to know though, for the other witchy mamas out there, do you let your kiddo, like obviously my athame and shit is like way up high on my altar at the back. I don't even think he knows it's there. That'll probably change when he gets older. He's only 6, but the second he knows that said that weapon, it's a knife. He could get one from the kitchen, but I'm very, very conscious of being very careful. But I'd like to hear from other witchy mamas. Do you let your kids play with your crystals and your decks and stuff? Okay, so I like that it was very well packaged, and I always reuse boxes. So sometimes if you get something from me and it's in a reused box, it's because I like to use as much as I possibly can to reduce the crap that's getting into our landfills. I reuse bubble wrap, everything. Oh, hello. Who are you? Is that lepidolite? Do I see lepidolite? I love lepidolite. I might have told Sabrina that. I was like, I am very, very keen with, oh. Let's see. Oh, look at her. It's this beautiful flecks of mica. I'm going to say that is lepidolite. I'd be very, very shook if I'm wrong. Yeah, lepidolite palm stone. Lepidolite palm stone, a perfect stress relief stone because it contains lithium. It brings emotional healing and helps you get deeper into meditation. I'm going to put this next to my workspace because I've still got so much work to do to finish those decks that you're all eagerly, patiently waiting for the end of the year. She's beautiful, and fits really lovely. I'm really purple's my favorite color, and I'm really attracted to lepidolite. I really like it a lot. That's gorgeous. It's a nice size too. Look at her. She's beautiful. Sorry, it shouldn't be. Whoop. And then what else have we got in here? Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this, I think. I managed to get the other one out, but I don't think that's going to work. It's the benefit of being at my desk in my room, which is where my work desk for my other work desk is, like my art and craft work, where my painting and everything I do is in my room. Is it? I've got, I can smell Palo Santo, Palo Santo. Oh my gosh, my brain is not even working today. It's not. I had a... Oh, it smells so good. Smells so good. Oh yeah, it smells so good. That smells so lovely. So this is a cleansing and clearing kit. So obviously selenite. Selenite cleanses the aura of negative energy built up both within the physical and etheric body. So you can use that to actually wave like a wand around, like down someone's auric bodies. Palo Santo provides an uplifting scent that raises your vibration in preparation for meditation and allows for deeper connection to source. Local salt spring lavender can help with anxiety, insomnia, depression, and restlessness. That's really beautiful. Thank you so much. And you get a little information pack, by the way. Thank you so much. What a beautiful gift. What a lovely surprise to have in the mail from Earth Family Crystals. So it's earthfamilycrystals.com. You can also find Earth Family Crystals here on Instagram, and you can find them on Facebook as well. Thank you so much. You can use hashtag Earth Family Crystals to see what else they've got. Thank you. What a lovely, lovely gift. And a beautiful surprise. So thank you so much to Sabrina and Ross, I believe it was. I know it's Sabrina, I just forgot if it was Ross or not. I will link where you can go and support Earth Family Crystals, and thanks so much for watching.